Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my cash stuffing video for my paycheck of July 26, 2024. So you guys, I am a weekly budgeter, I am a cash stuffer, and I am a credit card spender. So today we are going to be stuffing $645 between my wallet, which is for my variable weekly spending, my sinking funds, and savings challenges. So $400 is going to go into my wallet. You guys, this is the ZIPPY Luxe wallet in the Black Pebble. It is currently available for sale on my website. And this is the ZIPPY Luxe wallet collection. If you haven't seen it, you are missing out. So nonetheless, I am a creator, I'm a content creator, I'm a small business owner as well of So Crafty Sanaa. So all the products you see me using are mine, handcrafted and designed by yours truly. I am using my payday budget book to list my payday envelopes. So let's get right into this. So me money, the first thing I'm going to do is go through my wallet and see what money I have left. So I have $48 left in me money. I am just going to mark that here. And I'm going to keep that $48 because y'all know your girl has a problem, okay? Dining out, I have $3 left in dining out. So I am just going to minus that $3. And I'm just going to sit that to the side, okay? Because that is a rollover of some sort. Car maintenance, I have $10 left over. I am going to minus that out. I did not use it. So that's going to go there as well. Not too bad. Okay, gas is a sinking fund, so I keep a balance in gas. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $95 in gas. So I keep a running balance in gas. Groceries, I spend all of that. Household, I have 20, 40, $50. I am going to keep that $50. So I had $3 there. I had $10 there. Gas is a sinking fund. Food, I had nothing. Household, I have $50, but that's going to stay in household because I need to buy a couple things. Giving is a sinking fund, so I keep a balance. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I have $23 left in giving. So I'm not going to roll that money over. Buffer has nothing. And back to bank is money from my weekly expense video. If you haven't checked that out, I'm throwing it on the screen. Check that out so you guys can see how I manage using my credit card and my cash envelopes and paying back my credit cards on a weekly basis. Okay, so now that is that. Let's go ahead and divvy up this money. So I'm going to give myself $50 and 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. So $78 and I should have $98, right? So what happened was, so I'm adding 50, that gives me 98, but I'm minusing 20, so that's going to give me 78. Because I had to pull $20 out and put in another envelope. So 78 is what I currently have now in me money. Dining out is going to get $50. That's going to be 2 20s and a 10. I am going to try to start cutting back on dining out, but that is a simple pleasure. So I don't really know. I am trying to focus on paying debt, you guys. So that's why I've been trying to cut back on my spending, being more intentional, and just focusing on that. So $50 is going to dining out. Car maintenance is going to get its usual $10. And this is for the car wash, which I did not make it last week. So hopefully I make it this week, you know. I don't come out the house unless I have to. Okay, so gas is going to get $30, which is going to be a 20 and a 10. Like I said, I keep a balance in gas. So gas has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 125. So I have 125 and I added 30. And yeah, it's going to be time for me to get gas. So that'll be just enough. Groceries this week, I'm going to be doing $250. So that's going to be $200 and a $50 bill. And hopefully I can stay within budget. I overshot my monthly budget because I wanted to do $600 for the month. But when I look at each pay week, how much I've allotted for budgeting, I think for my grocery budget, I'm slightly over. So I'm just going to add $250 here. Okay. And then I will be able to determine what I have left. Household, I'm not giving any money to, but we have $50 in household. Giving is going to get $10, which is going to be 2 5s. And this is just for giving for whatever reason, no reason at all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I have $33 now in giving, and I added $10. So that is it for me stuffing my wallet. I have stuffed $400 for my weekly spending. And the bulk of that was food, $250 towards food. So let's see what we have rolled over for what we didn't spend. We only have $13, so you guys will see what I do with that next. So I'm going to go to my selfie sinking fund binder, and this is all about me money. So I'm going to be giving $40 to my selfie because my self-care. That's why I call it selfie. Selfie Sanaa self-care. Anything I need, hair, nails, you know, pedicures, manicures, things like that. So I'm putting $40 there. So we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 230, 235, 236. So I have $236. I do have a hair appointment coming up. So that'll take about $150 from Selfie Sanaa. And luxury, I am going to be giving $10 to luxury. Now, I'm also going to put the $13 in there as well. So let's just add all of that in at one time. And so I decided and luxury I use for shopping, just for me. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 127. Okay. So plus 10 is 114, and then plus 13 is 127. And I wanted to separate it because that was a rollover. So I currently have $127 in luxury. I can never have enough money in here to purchase anything for luxury. So yeah, I'm just always going over. Okay, so nothing else for that sinking fund. Let's see. Household, I am going to give $15 to household, and this is a sinking fund. So I like to save up as much as I can just to be prepared for any household spending. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, $45 in household. So I just added 15, and that gave me 45. I'm trying to build up all of my envelopes, you guys. If you follow me and if you've been with me for a long time, you know I am the budgeter that just has no excuse whatsoever for spending money the way that she does. So that's me. Okay. So car maintenance is going to get $20, and I need to build this back up. My car is still under full factory warranty, but still, you know, and then I have tire and wheel protection also. So, you know, I still need to save money on top of having those backup plans. So 1,000 to represent money in the bank. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $1,214. So we have $1,214, and I added $20. Guys, if you hear Jen, she grabs her toy and she drags it around crying because she wants to play. I've never seen a cat do anything like this. All right, so Jenna, Ramadan, toiletries. Car insurance, no. Okay, so that is it for this sinking fund binder. So let's see. So for Eid, our Islamic holiday, I'm going to start being a little bit more, you know, setting my intentions to contribute more money to these sinking funds. So I'm adding $10 to my Eid fund. That's our Islamic celebration, our Islamic holiday. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 109 in this sinking fund. I'm just trying to be prepared as much as I can for expected and unexpected expenses. And that is the purpose of cash envelopes and sinking funds. It's money you intend to spend one way or another, right? It's for unexpected and expected expenses. So after it, let's see. I'm going to go to gifts. So I'm going to put $10 in gifts because I really need to build this up. I'm always buying or giving someone something and I don't keep track of it. So I have $20 now in gifts. So yeah, I'm working on it, you guys. I'm working on it, but I'm focusing on lowering my monthly expenses and then I can contribute more. Okay, so that is it for gifts. And there's nothing else in this envelope, this sinking fund binder. So here we have Jenna. So Jenna is going to get $15 and just preparing for her upcoming vet visits. So she went already, so we're good. And that was, what was it, $236? Yes, that we took out of there. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So we have $48 in Jen, and we're adding 15. So, you guys, this is how it goes. Some months are better than more. Some pays I can give more. Nothing to debt. Car insurance. Car insurance is going to get $25. So, my car insurance is going to be due, I want to say maybe in, I don't know if it's due in August, but I'm supposed to have $850. So, I'm not there, but I did save something. The rest of it, I'll just have to pull either from my pay period at that time out of my paycheck, or I'll pull it from my checking account. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 161, 80, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 310, 315, 320, 325, 330. So I have $330, but still not bad. What I need to do is focus a little harder on making sure that I have the money that I need. I just got to really just discipline myself and put the money in there. So that is it for car insurance. That is it for this sinking fund binder. You guys, and these binders are available on my website, SoCraftySanaa.com. So for this is the kids binder, them kids. So my son, my daughter, what am I doing? Dress. So $15. I'm just building up their envelope for any odds and ends. They don't need anything, but I like to be prepared in case. 20, 30, 35. My daughter definitely takes after her mother. She has a shopping problem, but she's way more disciplined and she's way more frugal than me. She would never spend a lot of money on something. She'll spend money, but never a lot of money. So dress, toiletries is going to get $10. And I got to get back to my $5 savings. So $10, so I have $60 in toiletries, which is pretty good. I use this for, you know, their little odds and ends, hair products, you know, stuff like that. She really wants to play. Like, oh my gosh, I wish I could show you. She is carrying around her toy, crying like the world is ending. Okay, so activities, Grands. Grands is going to get $15. And so just like to put money in their sinking fund for whenever they come over for whatever. But here lately, I just spend directly from my account. I don't even worry about it. So I have $10, $15, $16 now in Grands. I put $15 in there. So trying to be more prepared, you guys, budgeting my money. So that is, oh, life insurance. So the kids' life insurance, $20 is going to go there. I have too much money. I have $40. I'm missing something. It gives Ramadan. I missed the envelope. Okay. So I'm going to put $20 in life insurance. So this is a kid's life insurance premium. It's not due till February. I need to have $860. I do plan to be on point with this budget here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 250, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280. $280. So that's plus 20, and that's $280. So hopefully I will have the $860 in this envelope when the time comes to pay that. All right, so Ramadan is, where is Ramadan meals? So before I get to Ramadan meals, you guys, I am not going to complete my July's. This isn't even the one. This is actually, I need to go ahead and just say, you know what? Forget Ramadan. Forget my July saving challenge, because I'm not going to succeed with that anyway. And you know what I'm going to do? I am going to put this into the baby fund. So you guys, I'm having a grandbaby and my daughter's having a little boy. So I want to save up $500 by September for what I want to purchase for the baby. So each stroller is going to be $20. I am using my Life by Life and Savings Challenge book. I also use my holiday event gift budget tracker, which is in the back of the Payday budget book, to set the budget amount that I wanted to spend. So each stroller is $20. I have $40 here. So you know what? I am just going to put the money here. Yep. I might as well work on my challenge because I didn't do July's. I failed. So I have 20, 30, 40. $40 is going to go into the baby fund. I'm going to have to buy gifts for the goddamn baby anyway, so I might as well go ahead and get prepared. July is over. I was supposed to save for my July's monthly saving challenge, $750, you guys. I did not do that. I want to say I probably saved 60, 90 maybe, but nevertheless, it's saving is saving. So I'll just move right along to August, which is even harder. Okay, it's double. It's $1,500. I don't know why the hell I set a $1,500 a month savings challenge. Like I'm gonna save $1,500 in 1 month. Hell no, I gotta pay debt or something. So anyway, nonetheless, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. All of my items will be linked down below in the description box. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.